Good morning, it's Tuesday the 23rd of August and this is your daily outlook. The US dollar steadied against its major counterparts as focus turns to Friday's speech by Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke at the Jackson Hole. Investors around the world will be closely watching Bernanke's words and whether a third round of quantitative easing will be announced. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar rose to 76.93 from 76.66 on fears the Japanese authorities will intervene in the currency markets to stem yen's gains. Japanese Finance Minister Yoshihiko Noda appears determined to stop the yen from rising further, and he warned that the Bank of Japan will take decisive steps if necessary. The euro edged higher against the dollar yesterday but fell during the US session. There was little price action in the market yesterday as no major economic data was released. The pair jumped to 144.33 from 143.47, but it later surrendered its gains to trade at 143.53. Focus turns to the Purchasing Manager Index data from the Eurozone expected later today. Versus the Swiss franc, the single currency is trading in a tight range at around 113.30 and the pair was last trading at 113.39. Looking at commodities, we see oil prices rebound to $85.28 a barrel from $81.16. Gold gained 2.9%, edging higher to a fresh record high at $1,911.55 an ounce from $1,857.77, and silver rose to $44.19 an ounce from $42.46. Now let's take a look at the currencies you should watch out for. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 143.45 with a preference to enter into long positions at 143.55. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 77 with a preference to enter into short positions at 76.95. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 103.85 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.85. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 164.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 164.35, and the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.9920 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9920. Looking at commodities, we have the oil pivot point at 82.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 82.70. The gold pivot point is at 1920 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1920. And the silver pivot point is at 44.25 with a preference to enter into short positions at 44.25. Looking at today's calendar and market movers, we have the Europe PMI services in August forecast to fall to 50.9. Europe PMI manufacturing in August forecast to fall to 49.5. US manufacturing index in August is forecast to fall to -7, and US new home sales in July forecast to fall to 310,000. Now on to equity markets. US equities were positive yesterday with the SP 500 up by 0.03%. The Dow was up 0.34%. European bourses were mixed with the FTSE trading up 1.08%. The DAX was down 0.11% and the CAC was up 1.14%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 1.08% and the Hang Seng was up 0.56%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andreou from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.